Text.
ผมแทน
Nancy's family.
Nancy ทั้งกิจมะ
This is my friend, Nancy.
This is my friend Nancy.
She is from England.
She is from England.
Her father is a professor.
Her father is a professor.
He is in London.
He is in London.
Her mother is a scientist.
Her mother is a scientist.
She is in London too.
She is in London too.
Nancy is married.
Nancy is married.
Her husband, John, is in China too.
Her husband, John, is in China too.
They have 2 children, a son and a daughter.
They have 2 children, a son and a daughter.
Her son is only 2 years old, and her daughter is 4.
Her son is only 2 years old, and her daughter is 4.
They are lovely children.
They are lovely children.
Conversation.
แกแช่
Hello, Tom.
Hi, Betty.
This is my sister, Helen.
Glad to meet you.
Glad to meet you.
Drills.
จงว่า
Is your father in Lhasa?
No, he isn't.
Where is he?
He's in Amdo.
Is your sister in Chengdu?
No, she isn't.
Where is she?
She's in Kunming.
Is your husband in Xining?
No, he isn't.
Where is he?
He's in Gannan.
Is Nancy's father in China?
No, he isn't.
Where is he?
He's in England.
Are Nancy's children in London?
No, they aren't.
Where are they?
They're in Beijing.
Where are you from?
I'm from Kham.
Is Jorma from Kham too?
No, she isn't. She's from Amdo.
Where is Mary from?
She's from London.
Is her husband from London too?
No, he isn't. He's from Sheffield.
Where is your father from?
He's from Sichuan.
Is your mother from Sichuan too?
No, she isn't. She's from Yunnan.
Where is Lamo from?
She's from Gansu.
Is Beima from Gansu too?
No, he isn't. He's from Lhasa.
Where is Peter from?
He's from England.
Is Helen from England too?
No, she isn't. She's from the USA.
Exercises.
شارجم
Part 3.
خسنبا
Number 1. Who is Nancy?
Nancy is my friend.
Number 2. Where is she from?
She is from England.
Number 3. What's her father?
Her father is a professor.
Number 4. Where is he?
He is in London.
Number 5. Is her mother a professor?
No, her mother is a scientist.
Number 6. Where is she?
She is in London too.
Number 7. Is Nancy married?
Yes, Nancy is married.
Number 8. Who's her husband?
Her husband is John.
Number 9. Is John in China?
Yes, John is in China.
Number 10. Do they have any children?
Yes, they have 2 children, a son and a daughter.
Number 11. How old are they?
Their son is only 2 years old. Their daughter is 4.
Number 12. Are they lovely?
Yes, they are lovely children.
Part 5.
ngawa
1. Is Nancy's husband John? 2. Nancy is from England. Where is Nancy from? 3. Their daughter is 4. How old is their daughter? 4. Their children are in China. Where are their children? 5. Nancy's mother is a scientist. What is Nancy's mother's job? 6. Nancy's father is a professor. What is Nancy's father's job? Part 6.
TBob.
1. Who is she? She is my friend. 2. She's from England. Where is she from? 3. He's a professor. What is Nancy's father's job? 4. He's in London. Where is Nancy's father? 5. No, she isn't. She is a scientist. Is Nancy's mother a professor? 6. She's in London too. Where is Nancy's mother? 7. Yes, she is. Is Nancy's mother in London? 8. John is her husband. Who is Nancy's husband? 9. Yes, he is. Is John in China? 10. Yes, they do. Do Nancy and John have any children? 11. Their son is 2. Their daughter is 4. How old are their children? 12. Yes, they are. Are their children lovely? Part 7.
Denba.
1. He speaks Tibetan. I study with him. This is his book. 2. I teach Tibetan. You study with me. My name is Tom. 3. She is from Qinghai. You know her. Her name is Joma. 4. They live in Xining. You see them every day. You buy their food. 5. You are a student. I study with you. This is your book. Part 8.
Japa.
1. This is a picture. Is this a picture? 2. The girl is a nurse. Is the girl a nurse? 3. The young man is a technician. Is the young man a technician? 4. I am an engineer. Are you an engineer? 5. My elder sister is a doctor. Is your elder sister a doctor? 6. This is a middle school. Is this a middle school? 7. This is my family. Is this your family? 8. This is lesson 3. Is this lesson 3? 9. I am from Dege. Are you from Dege? 10. They are sisters. Are they sisters? 11. They are Tibetan. Are they Tibetan? 12. You are a student. Am I a student? Part 9.
Goa.
1. I see your red bag. Do you see my red bag? 2. The girls study English every day. Do the girls study English every day? 3. The boys work hard. Do the boys work hard? 4. We come to school at 7:30. Do we come to school at 7:30? 5. I have many books. Do you have many books? 6. Peter likes Zamba. Does Peter like Zamba? 7. They live in Chengdu. Do they live in Chengdu? 8. Losong has 2 brothers. Does Losong have 2 brothers? 9. Losong and Dorji speak English. Do Losong and Dorji speak English? 10. Bema speaks Tibetan. Does Bema speak Tibetan? Part 10.
Joa.
1. I see your red bag. Do you see my red bag? 2. The girls study English every day. Do the girls study English every day? 3. The boys work hard. Do the boys work hard? 4. We come to school at 7:30. Do we come to school at 7:30? 5. I have many books. Do you have many books? 6. Joshi likes Zamba. Does Joshi like Zamba? 7. Bema speaks Tibetan. Does Bema speak Tibetan? Part 12.
Journey.
1. Where is Nancy? I want to give the clock to her. 2. I like that book. Please give it to me. 3. I can't see Bob. Where is he? 4. Uncle Dumba is very poor, and the king is not good to him. 5. The food is tasty. I like it. 6. Mary and Tom like to swim. They usually go swimming together. 7. It's Tom's book. Dorji gives it to him. 8. I read those 2 books. I like them. 9. Bob took pictures of Mary and me. We like them. 10. Mary and I are studying English. We like to study English. 11. Mary lives in Xining. She likes this city. 12. We asked Tom to give the book to Joma, but he didn't give it to her. 13. I want some more rice. Please bring the bowl to me. 14. Tom has many books. It's also his book. 15. Mary's jacket is the blue one. She likes that jacket very much. 16. Tom and I live together, and this is our apartment. 17. I need to call Dorji and Losong. Could you tell me their phone number? 18. Bob and you have a little dog. Your little dog is very lovely. 19. Mary and I have storybooks, but your books are more interesting. 20. We live in the same room, and our room number is 305. Lesson 5.
봄치는 아와
New words.
타니et
Please listen and repeat.
들라냐니 휘자디시
5. F I V E 5. Clock C L O C K Clock. These T H E S E These. Watch W A T C H Watch. We W E We. Other O T H E R Other. C S E E C Map M A P Map. A lot of A L O T O F. A lot of. Pencil P E N C I L Pencil. Radio R A D I O Radio. Thing T H I N G. Thing. Book. B. O. O. K. Book. Them. T. H. E. M. Them. Very. The. E. R. Y. Very. Pen. P. E. N. Pen. Well. W. E. L. L. Well. And. A. N. D. And. Thank. T. H. A. N. K. Thank. Fine. F. I. N. E. Fine. Text.
Form 10.
What are in these pictures?
Aram datakananta cheshgiyo.
Look at these pictures. We see a lot of things in them. This is a pen, and this is a pencil. This is a clock, and that is a watch. What do you see in the other 4 pictures? We see a map, a picture, a radio, and 4 books in them. Conversation.
Gacha.
How are you? Very well, thank you. And you? Fine, thank you. Drills.
Jungwa.
Is this a pen? Yes, it is. Is this a pen too? No, it isn't. It's a pencil. Is this a clock? Yes, it is. Is this a clock too? No, it isn't. It's a watch. Is this a picture? Yes, it is. Is this a picture too? No, it isn't. It's a map. Is this a radio? Yes, it is. Is this a radio too? No, it isn't. It's a book. Is this your book? Yes, it is. Is this your book too? No, it isn't. It's her book. Is this Mary? No, she isn't. Who is she? She is Nancy. Is this Peter? No, he isn't. Who is he? He is Tom. Is this Mr. Lee? No, he isn't. Who is he? He is Mr. Smith. Is this Rose? No, she isn't. Who is she? She is Helen. Is this Miss White? No, she isn't. Who is she? She is Mrs. Green. Exercises.
Sharjang.
Part 3.
Samba.
1. What do you see in this picture? I see a pen in it. 2. Is this a pen too? Yes, it is. 3. What's this? It's a pencil. 4. Is that a clock too? No, it isn't. It's a watch. 5. Is this a picture? Yes, it is. 6. Is that a picture too? No, it isn't. It's a map. 7. What do you see in this picture? I see a radio in this picture. 8. Is that a radio too? No, it's a picture. 9. Are these books too? Yes, they are. 10. How many books do you see in this picture? I see 3 books in this picture. 11. Do you see a lot of things in these pictures? Yes, I do. Part 5.
Ngào à?
1. This is my younger brother. Is this your younger brother? 2. That girl is Mary's elder sister. Is that girl Mary's elder sister? 3. They are Mr. Green's children. Are they Mr. Green's children? 4. These 2 boys are college students. Are these 2 boys college students? 5. This is my watch. Is this your watch? 6. That is Jane's radio. Is that Jane's radio? 7. These are Joshy's books. Are these Joshy's books? 8. These young men are Tom's friends. Are these young men Tom's friends? 9. This is my mother. Is this your mother? 10. They are from my school. Are they from your school? 11. These 2 girls are students. Are these 2 girls students? Part 6.
TBob.
1. My sister is a nurse. Her husband is a doctor. 2. My brother is an engineer. His wife is a technician. 3. Are you a teacher? Are they your students? 4. They are my friends. Their children are my students. 5. These are her children. They are schoolboys. 6. Is this your book? What's its name? 7. Are these your books? No, they are not my books, but Jane's books. Part 7.
Then ba.
1. Who is this woman? She's Helen. 2. What is she? She is a nurse. 3. Is that woman a nurse too? No, she is a student. 4. What's her name? Her name is Mary. 5. Who is this young man? His name is Tom. 6. What is he? He is a worker. 7. Is the other man a worker? No, he is a doctor. 8. What's his name? His name is Henry. Lesson 6.
Lomtsen TBob.
New words.
Tahniet.
Please listen and repeat.
Dalanyani Fjadishi.
6. 6. Both. Both. Live. Live. 20. 20. Room. Room. Other. Other. French. French. Come. Come. All. All. German. German. New. New. Chinese. Chinese. 17. 17. People. People. 18. 18. Those. Those. Year. Year. Japanese. Japanese. Old. Old. Text.
Lomtsen.
The girls.
Womutu.
4 girls live in this room. 2 of them study English. The other 2 study Tibetan. They are all very young. Joma is a new student. She is 17. She studies English. Yangzom is a new student too, but she studies Tibetan. She is 18 this year. Deki and Hlamo are old students. They are both 20. One studies Tibetan and the other studies English. Conversation.
Get chat.
Come and meet my friend. This is Mrs. Lake. This is Miss Joma. How do you do, Mrs. Lake? How do you do, Miss Joma? Drills.
Jungwa.
Do you speak English? Yes, we do. Do they speak English? No, they don't. They speak German. Do the boys speak English? Yes, they do. Do the girls speak English? No, they don't. They speak Tibetan. Do these people speak English? Yes, they do. Do those people speak English? No, they don't. They speak Japanese. Do the Smiths speak English? Yes, they do. Do the Michaels speak English? No, they don't. They speak French. Do the teachers speak English? Yes, they do. Do the schoolboys speak English? No, they don't. They speak Chinese. Do you have a pen? Yes, I do. Does Tom have a pen? No, he doesn't. He doesn't have a pen. Do you have a radio? Yes, I do. Does Helen have a radio? No, she doesn't. She doesn't have a radio. Do they have a daughter? Yes, they do. Does Mr. Brown have a daughter? No, he doesn't. Mr. Brown doesn't have a daughter. Do the girls have a picture book? Yes, they do. Does the boy have a picture book? No, he doesn't. He doesn't have a picture book. Do the Johnsons have a new clock? Yes, they do. Does Nancy have a new clock? No, she doesn't. She doesn't have a new clock. Exercises.
شارجنگ
Part 3.
سنبا
1. Who live in this room? 4 girls live in this room. 2. What do they study? 2 of them study English. 3. What do the other 2 study? The other 2 study Tibetan. 4. Are the girls very young? Yes, they are. 5. Who is Joma? She is a new student. 6. Is she a student? Yes, she is. 7. How old is she? She is 17. 8. What does she study? She studies English. 9. Does Youngzom study English too? Yes, she does. 10. How old is Youngzom? Youngzom is 18. 11. Are Deki and Hlamo new students? No. They are old students. 12. How old are they? They are 20. 13. What do they study? One studies Tibetan and the other studies English.